Guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting your girl. And if you're new to the channel, karibu sana. So guys, in today's video we are going to dye my hair at home, so tag along. Forgive my lighting, I was dyeing my hair at night and we are using Nisha hair color in the shade golden blonde. If you have been watching my videos, I bought this hair color a while back and I wanted the blonde color, that's why I chose this shade. But on reading the package, these were the instructions. If your hair color is black, it will turn to a gingerish brownish color, and if your hair is a little bit light in color, it will turn to the golden brown on the package. So for the process, you'll just need a container where you'll be doing the mixing in, and then in the box we have the colorant that comes in a tube, a little cute brush, instructions, a developer that comes in a bottle, and then the post color care conditioner, which comes in a set of 3, and a pair of gloves. Make sure to put on a cloth that you don't use as often or not your best, because when the hair dye lands on the fabric, it does bleach. So make sure you are not putting on your favorite t-shirt or favorite cloth or favorite lasso. To start off the process, you first take the hair colorant and the developer and mix them up. Mix them up well until you get an even consistency. That's when you know the dye is ready to be applied onto your hair. I first went in with a brush and it was a little bit challenging because the dye wasn't getting into every part of my hair, so I decided to put on the gloves and just use my hands.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
At this point, I felt a little burning on the scalp, the burning that you feel whenever you place relaxer onto your hair, but I did ignore that feeling, and also I didn't end up with a burn. I ignored that feeling because I wanted the dye to work. The dye is supposed to stay on your hair for 30 minutes, but I did mine for an hour. Yeah. Guys, I know, please don't come for me. I was using a Ziploc bag because I didn't have a shower cap, and also finding a plastic bag in our country is so difficult because plastic bags are banned in our country. So yeah, I blame the government. So this was 30 minutes later and I had to check in the progress, and by this time the hair had turned a little bit brown, and because I wanted a gingerish or a more brownish color, I let it sit for another 30 minutes. This was an hour later after the dyeing process, and I was still feeling the burning sensation onto the scalp. I really don't know why, but my hair didn't get burnt, my scalp didn't get burnt, but during the process my head was on fire because I was feeling that itchy burning sensation when you put on relaxer onto your head. Yeah, you can see from my face reaction that was the pain I was feeling, but I washed it off and I was good to go. So if you're planning to place this dye, make sure you do a test patch before applying the dye onto the whole of your head. Also note that the burning sensation wasn't that intense, and that's why I added 30 more minutes. Also, when I look at the video, the color that was at 30 minutes was the same color that my hair was at 1 hour. So I thought it would make a difference, but actually it didn't make any difference at all. So this is the final hair color that my hair turned to, and I won't lie, I was greatly disappointed. This is not what I expected. I expected a little bit brownish color, brown ginger color, but you know, it is what it is. And what made me buy this product is because on the package it's written it has sunflower oil, avocado oil, whatever that is, henna, which are of good benefits to the hair. So hopefully my hair won't break. So yeah, I will be updating you guys on the progress. So after washing it, I applied the conditioner that came with it and combed out my hair. Also, my eyes were a little bit red because I was tired and sleepy, but I had to get the job done. I had these hair masks that I was gifted, and guys, did you know that Gania had a hair mask? Did you know? Did you also know that Palmer's have a hair conditioner? Did you know? I also didn't know. So I ended up choosing Cream of Nature because it was a live-in conditioner. And guys, I would 100% recommend this product because my hair is normally the tough, brittle hair, but I applied this conditioner and then 3 days later I did blow dry. And guys, I didn't have to add water onto my hair so that it can, you know, become soft for it to blow dry, and I didn't feel any pain during the blow dry process despite me not, you know, moisturizing my hair with water. This hair mask is the real deal. So if you know where I can get it, kindly comment in the comment section below. I will really appreciate it. So guys, these are the end results of the dye, and I am actually mad at the results because I personally don't like the hair color. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kinda a brownish. I'll go outside and show you guys. But this is the dye I was using. So at first I expected to get the golden blonde that's written there, but over here it gives you the hair result color. And after seeing this, I thought I would get a ginger color because that's what is shown here. For black hair you get the ginger, brown that's the result, blonde this is the result. I am so disappointed at Nisha hair because this is not what I expected, but well, we'll have to work with what we have because I can't shave my hair, you know. It's been a struggle to reach where it is. Yeah, anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.